Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today lesson is about vowel. How vowels form words. We have already learned short and long vowels. In short vowel, formula is consonant, vowel, and consonant. And examples are CAT cat, where C is consonant, E is vowel, T is consonant. PEN pen, where P is consonant, E is vowel, N is consonant. SIT sit, where S is consonant, I is vowel, T is consonant. DOG dog, where D is consonant, O is vowel, G is consonant. FUN fun, where F is consonant, U is vowel, N is consonant. And this is called consonant vowel consonant formation. Also referred to short vowel, where sound of vowel is spoken quickly. Cat, pen, sit, dog, fun. Other formation examples are CVCE, silent E, which is also referred to long vowel. In example, we have cake, eve, pine, rope, cube. So basically, silent E rule adds length to the vowel before it. Means this is word cube. Here it is silent E at the end of word, and before E, U is vowel, and it will add length to this U, so this will be called cube. Second example is rope. E is silent here, and before the E, O is vowel, and it will be speak as rope. Vowel teams. Vowel teams, also referred as digraphs. Two vowels work together to make one sound. For example, AI used in word rain. Double E used in word is referred as tree. OA as boat. AU as auto. OI as coin. OU as cloud. Are controlled vowels. For example, farm, her, bird, corn, burn. In R control vowels, vowel plus R changes the sound. For example, AR. In the word car, vowel A sound is changed. ER. In the word her, vowel E sound is changed. IR. In the word bird, I sound is changed. So this is how vowels form words.